Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to forward multiple messages in WhatsApp web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and log in to your account. Step 2. Go to the desired chat where the messages you want to forward are located. Step 3. Click on the 3 dots located at the top right corner of the screen to reveal additional options. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Messages to enter the message selection mode. Step 5. Check the boxes next to the desired messages that you want to forward. Step 6. Once you've selected all the messages, click on the forward icon, usually represented by an arrow pointing to the right. Step 7. Check the box next to the contact or group you wish to forward these messages to. Step 8. Finally, hit the Send button to forward the selected messages to the chosen recipient. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded multiple messages in WhatsApp web. This feature allows you to share important information or conversations with others effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.